bags of frozen Brussels sprouts, 24 ounces of our sliced smoked sausage, and this is all in our crock pot. I'm next adding some diced potatoes, and this is just one bag of those small golden potatoes that I washed and diced. With that, we're gonna add some diced onion, and I'm using yellow onion, and I already bought it pre-diced because I don't like to cry, but you can obviously dice your own. It doesn't make a difference, but this is gonna be a super easy and yummy crock pot dinner. Oh yeah. Now I have 3 stalks of celery that I chopped up, and we're adding that right in there with our sausage, our Brussels sprouts, our potatoes, and our onions. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Now for liquids, I'm gonna come in with my beef broth, and we need 2 cups of beef broth. So I only have my 1 cup measuring cup clean right now, so we'll have to measure each one. But that's 1 cup, and if you wanna use vegetable broth or chicken broth or whatever broth you like, you can totally sub that out. You can even do the low sodium broth, but I wanted a lot of flavors, so I'm doing the traditional beef broth, which is gonna be delicious with all of those other flavors in there. I cannot wait to get this cooking because I am hungry. Yum. Now I do want a little sweetness with this, especially with those sausages. So I'm gonna sprinkle in some brown sugar. Now, if you wanna keep this more savory, you can skip the brown sugar, but I'm gonna add about 1/4 a cup of brown sugar because I just think that will caramelize everything and make it extra delicious. I absolutely love this dinner because it is quick, it is easy, and you just set it and forget it. All right, that looks perfect. Now I am gonna add a little bit of pepper to just add to the savoriness. It's gonna be sweet, savory, delicious, everything you need all in one crock pot. You don't need to make anything else on the side because you have your veggies, your starches, and your protein all in one. And I am gonna add a little extra salt because I love salt in my dinner, but you can skip this if you're worried about the sodium and use that low sodium broth like I mentioned. But this is a big serving. This is gonna serve about 6 people for dinner, and I am so excited, so I'm piling on the salt. Now that we have everything in there, we're gonna give this a nice big mix, get those Brussels sprouts mixed in, get those sausage pieces mixed in, get the potatoes, the onions, the celery. Look how beautiful that is. All those bright colors. I think it's true when they say the more colors there is on your plate, the healthier it is, and this is no exception. So we're just mixing this all together until we feel like all that seasoning, all that brown sugar is evenly coating all of these beautiful ingredients. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. I think it's ready to start cooking because I'm hungry. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our lid on, and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 4 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and let's check out our dinner. Ooh.
Nice.
Look at all of that steam. Those potatoes are perfectly cooked. Those Brussels sprouts, the sausage. All right, I might just give it one little toss so we can see all of that goodness. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good and so flavorful. All right, let's go ahead and serve it up. I'm so excited. Yummy. All right, we got our veggies, our protein, our starch. This is gonna be good. There we go.
Is it good?
Wow. That is so perfect. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly cooked. You have to try this.